Hello everyone. Today topic for discussion is the property of colloids. There are various property of colloids which are physical property, mechanical, electrical, optical and so on. So we will discuss one by one. First of all, what are the physical property of colloids? First one is heterogeneity. Colloidal solution consists of two phases, dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Second is visibility of dispersed particles. The dispersed particles present in them are not visible to the naked eye and they appear homogeneous. Third is filtrability. The colloidal particle pass through an ordinary filter paper. However, they can be retained by animal membrane, cellophane membrane and ultrafilters. Fourth is stability. Lyophilic salts in general and lyophobic salts in absence of concentration of electrolytes are quite stable. Last is color. The color of colloidal solution depends upon the size of colloidal particles present in it. Larger particles absorb the light of longer wavelength and therefore transmit light of shorter wavelength. So color of the colloids also depends on their size, and by seeing the color we can determine the physical property of the colloid. Seconds are the optical property of colloids. To study the optical property of colloids, we will study Tyndall effect. When an intense converging beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution that is kept in dark, the path of the beam gets illuminated with a bluish light. This phenomena is called Tyndall effect, and the illuminated path is known as Tyndall cone. The Tyndall effect is due to scattering of light by colloidal particles. Tyndall effect is not exhibited by the true solution. It is only shown by the colloidal particles. This is because the particles present in a true solution are too small and they can't scatter the light. Scattering of light is very important for exhibiting Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect can be used to distinguish a colloidal solution from a true solution. This phenomena has also been used to devise an instrument known as ultramicroscope. The instrument is used for detection of particles is of colloidal dimension. Third property is mechanical property of colloids. In mechanical property, we will discuss Brownian movement. The continuous zigzag movement of the colloidal particles in the dispersion medium in a colloidal solution is called Brownian movement. Brownian movement is due to unequal bombardment of the moving molecules of the dispersion medium on colloidal particles. The Brownian movement decreases with an increase in size of colloidal particles, because if the particles are of larger size, there is high tendency to settle down. But if the particles are very small in size, then there is chances to show Brownian movement. This is why suspension do not show this type of Brownian movement, because in case of suspension the size of the particle is comparatively very high than in case of colloid. Brownian movement can be shown. This is the way for representing Brownian movement of any particle. Now the next property is the electrical property of the colloid. In the electrical property, first of all we will discuss electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is the movement of colloidal particle towards a particular electrode under the influence of electrical field is studied. If the colloidal particle carry positive charge, they will move toward cathode, while if they carry negative charge, they will move toward anode. And this is the method for studying the electrical property of colloid electrophoresis. Second is the electroosmosis, the movement of dispersion medium under the influence of an electrical field in the situation when the movement of colloidal particle is prevented with the help of a suitable membrane. During electroosmosis, colloidal particles are checked and it is the dispersion medium that moves towards the oppositively charged electrode. It was whole about the various property of the colloid, and study of these property is helpful for the stability purpose of the colloid and to check whether the colloid is of appropriate quality. Thanks for watching this video.